Hey guys, Johnny and Lawrence back for another Manufactio stream. So last time we got our first little bit of oil set up.
Yes.
And by first little bit, I mean first little bit. But you'll see something different here. We flattened a big area. We built over the river, because who needs a river? And yeah, hopefully this is going to be a big enough area that we can do some stuff. I did start placing lights, and by lights I mean singular lights.
You have a light.
Well, that's not true actually. I placed 2 lights. I placed another light down here. So hopefully this should stop mob spawns in a little area. And then this one up here should just be for light. Oh, actually, that reminds me. Look what else we found. We found this.
Oh yeah, I completely forgot about this.
Natural gas source.
So I just mine it up.
I would not mine it up, but I'm assuming this is what we use for, well, you know, natural gas processing.
Yep.
It seems logical. But the next thing we need, looking at the quest anyway, is probably this gas and oil refining. That's going to be green science. Oh, we've only got a stack of green science.
Ah.
Oh, we only need 50. It's fine. So refining crude oil into usable hydrocarbons, hot crude oil is sent to a distillation tower where the oil separates into stuff. Resources produced will require further refinement to be usable. These structures can be rotated with capsules, but the pipework will need to be redone. Okay, so we want to probably be careful about rotations. Maybe just leave them the way they are if they work.
Yep, can do.
So I guess I should see what we can make with P24. Let's look at the uses on that. This looks very doable.
Oh, okay. That's
Don't know how
surprising.
many we need. So if I look at, is it crude oil or oil we're getting? Do you remember? Well, it's not crude.
I actually don't know.
That's for sure. Well, crude oil is a thing. So there's. Why is there 2 kind of crude oils? Okay, I'm gonna need to go check what kind of crude oil we're getting. So we have crude oil, and it doesn't say which one it is, but it looks dark. I think it's the magnetic craft crude oil. Actually, now that I'm saying that, there isn't any uses on the other crude oil. I did not need to walk back here. That is nice. Distillation tower isn't even a thing. What?
Is it not?
No. Well, I mean, it's not a thing you use oil for. Right, let me look at the quest. Where did I go wrong? Refining crude oil, usable hydrocarbons. Hot crude oil is sent to a distillation tower. So do I need to heat it up first? First step in refining crude oil and natural gas. So we need a hydrocarbon separator first. Okay. So the hydrocarbon separator is... Wait, seriously? You get raw gas from crude oil? I did not know that.
Oh.
And sulfuric wastewater. Okay, let's add all these to my to-do. See what actually happens with them. So raw gas, we need a distillation. Sulfuric, we need hydro plant. We'll worry about that later. And then hot crude oil goes into distillation. So it looks like at least 2. We're going to need at least 2 distillation towers and maybe something else for the sulfuric. Wait, is the hydro plant... I think we've got a hydro plant. I think that's the thing over here.
Is it?
Wait, the thing I just walked past. Is this not a hydro plant? Where is the controller block? Yeah, hydro plant. Okay, we've made a hydro plant.
Oh, okay.
That's cool. So we can make a hydro plant as well. I think we need a hydrocarbon separator going into 2 distillation towers and a hydro plant. You know, I'm just realizing another potential flaw in that maybe what I said is wrong. So, like for example, hot crude oil, we get 70 millibuckets. Raw gas, we only get 20.
Okay.
Do you think that means we're going to need more distillation towers for hot crude oil than for gas? And therefore, it's going to be a right pain to manage this. Maybe there's not going to be enough oil. Maybe they go fast enough that it doesn't matter and one will do it.
Maybe.
Okay, let me start with making a bunch of tanks. Because I feel...
Tanks would be a good place to start.
So I've not touched any of the portable tanks this time, so we should hopefully be able to craft all of these. I'm making 6. That should be 2 per output is kind of my rationale.
Yeah.
Hoping that's a good amount. Okay, so we got our first thing. We got 6 fluid tanks. Then we need a hydrocarbon separator. Doesn't look too bad. Fluid ducts, stone, and circuit 2. There we go. Now I should be able to make ourselves our first hydrocarbon separator package, but I'm not done. I feel like I should do all of the things just now. Right, that's 2 distillation towers. Now, can we also manage a hydro plant? Hydro plant package. There we go. So we have 2 distillation towers, 1 hydrocarbon separator, 1 hydro plant package, and 6 fluid tanks. I think this might be enough to get us going. And I should probably get some fluid ducts because I'm guessing we're going to be moving around a lot of fluid ducts. Ooh. I think I've already foreseen a problem.
Uh-oh.
It's called hot crude oil. I feel like that probably means we're going to need the temperature-resistant fluid ducts.
Probably.
Steel and bronze to make. So we could make them, but I think we will try it first. Hydrocarbon separator is what it starts with. So let's craft this. Make ourselves the package chest. And then hydrocarbon separator. Boom. Left click. See what this looks like. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Where is the input? Oh my god. The input's kind of in a sensible place.
Oh, okay. That's surprising.
Yeah. Output may be in a sensible place. I think I'm just going to dump it down here.
Yep.
Is that good? I think that's good-ish. I just need to find the power source now. Power is over here. I think those LV ducts I picked up should be enough. Oh, perfect amount. So it looks like we got all the fluid outputs coming out one place. Oh yeah, we could probably use the immersive fluid pipes.
Oh yeah.
No, we can't. We can't make them. We could, I guess, keep making a bunch of these machines and destroying the pipes. But it'd be a very expensive way to do it. Should I just... Let me close all these valves. And let's hook up the crude oil and see what happens, I feel. Oh, look! Oil! Oil, oil, oil.
That's exciting.
Oil. Is it doing a thing? It's going into this machine. It's processing.
So that means
I look too
rich
excited
now?
there. It means we have 280 millibuckets of hot crude oil. We have 100 millibuckets of raw gas. And we have some sulfuric acid waste. So now what do? We do distillation towers. And we do other things.
Other things.
Yeah, that other machine that I kind of forget what it is.
I don't
Wow,
know.
distillation tower looks like it's going to be big. Oh, that's weird. I saw the look of it and then it disappeared. Okay, if I place it and then just have a look, I can see which way we want to rotate it. So this is tiny item input. Fluid input is here. So I think if I rotate it 90, yeah, then the fluid input is going to be at the back. I think that's going to be our best place. I am a bit concerned that if I put it down right next to this machine, because the capsule's quite big, I don't know if it'll let me pick it back up. Yeah, I can't undeploy it again now because all the walls in the way, I think. So you happy with that place?
I guess so.
Okay, shall we just go with it?
Yep.
And then maybe put the other one here. Is that lined up? Oh, it's lined up. I did it. I did it.
Yay.
Everybody, I am amazing. And now we just need our thing. The other one. The hydro plant package. Yep. I think it's that one. And I'm undecided for this. I was going to put them all in a row.
But
Would it make more sense to put the hydrocarbon package coming out this way?
I don't know.
I think, personally, I quite like the idea of having it separate.
Okay. Yeah.
Rather than in a line. Like there. I might move it one back. Is that one back now? No, it's 2 back. There? Nope, that's still the wrong place. There? There we go. So now this output's in line with that output. And it's 3 away from here. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. Love it.
Super beautiful.
So I've turned all these valves off, and I'm thinking we can actually just use... So maybe this one goes over to here. I don't know why there's 2 fluid input hatches. Hopefully that doesn't mean anything bad.
Totally not.
Nah, I'm sure. I'm sure it means only good things.
Are you using normal fluid ducts?
Yes. We've had this conversation.
Okay.
We think it's going to go bad, but we're going to try it anyway.
Okay. Good.
Don't open the valves. Please don't
really
open the
want to
valves.
open the valves now.
Please don't open the valves.
I will not. open the valves.
Do you have any fluid ducts?
I do not.
Okay, I need to go get fluid ducts. Try not open the valves while I'm going.
I will resist the temptation. So I'm assuming you want the hot crude to go to the place where you just put the fluid ducts.
I think so. I don't know. All right, so this one needs the sulfuric wastewater into the green.
Yes. Have you put a filter on this?
Not on them all yet, no. Why?
Yeah, it's okay. I can do it.
It's just the last one that should need the filter. Right. So that is them all connected up. So none of them have power.
Nope.
Oh wait, yeah, this one here. I dug the hole underneath for you. Why didn't you dig it underneath?
Nobody saw that.
Okay, so they should all have power. So that's exciting. Oh, these are all gonna need plans. I forgot about the plans. So the hot crude oil, that doesn't need a plan. The sulfuric waste, that's gonna need a plan, doesn't it? Yes, that needs P28. You should actually be able to claim that on you, which would be quite helpful.
P24?
T8.
11?
Wait, where is P28? Did I just make that up? I swear I said it was P28. Do we not
I'm
even have?
assuming it's P24, you mean?
No,
that's
it's
the hot crude oil.
P28. It says P20. Oh, here we go. Advanced water treatment. We've not unlocked it. Oh, so neither of us can claim it just now. Okay, I feel like to test this thing properly, we need to get that as well. Right?
Oh, yes.
So advanced water treatment. This should allow us to actually use the sulfuric waste. 30.
What's the matter?
Dependencies. We need that. We've got that dependency. That's okay. The other depends on chemistry 13. Provides the chemical plant, allowing the manipulation of chemicals into other materials. Okay, I don't really want this, but I'm going to claim it just so we can unlock the advanced water treatment, which I no longer have enough green science for. Oh my god. I'm going to have to wait on like 15 green science now.
Oh.
So, I'll tell you what, we won't do it all at a oneer, because I can't be bothered waiting on that right now. Let's see if we can process the raw gas. Should we try that one first?
Can I flick the lever?
The middle one.
Middle.
Yep. Okay, so that's going up and over. Filling our input hatch. And stopped, which is probably because
It's processing.
Cool. It's processing into what? I didn't actually look at the outputs for any of these things. Natural gas liquids, so...
I'm so confused, because
What?
that seems to be going into that output.
Yeah.
Yeah, the valve is the wrong way round.
What?
Look at the arrow.
Yeah, that's... So?
So it's never going to go anywhere.
Yeah, that's fine. We don't
Okay.
want it to go anywhere just now.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even realize. Yeah, all them are going to need rotated. I didn't realize, obviously, but the distillation... Ah, wrong button. Oh, no. I saved myself somehow. I was lucky. Yeah, I didn't realize that... Oh, no, they don't matter. Oh, Golrith, you're a genius. Even though they all come out at different heights, technically we can access them all through the fluid router. So it's not actually going to be a pain to deal with them all.
Oh, okay. That's quite nice.
Very much approved. That is a clever workaround.
Why put in this ladder when you can't get off at separate floors?
So, what do you have on you? I've got 16 dirt on me in case this goes wrong.
I've got 2 buckets of water.
2 buckets of water. That's a good idea. Oh yeah, I gave you my water. So let's see what happens with the hot crude. I'm sure it'll be fine, but just in case, nothing happens. Hot crude goes out north.
Goes into distillation tower. Hot crude is being processed.
Wait, what? I don't see it in the pipe. Oh, it's all went through. Well,
Yeah.
that was fine. I was assuming this was going to explode.
Yeah,
And I was assuming we were going to have to fix it quickly.
I am
but it hasn't.
disappointed by the lack of explosion.
Well, I'm not, to be honest, I don't know if it's a good thing. Because now I'm like wondering, should we just leave it? Or is that going to be a problem later on? What are you thinking about? Do we need to fix this? Or do you think it's just going to be okay?
I kind of would have assumed that they would have exploded by now. So,
Hot crude has to sit in the pipe. Okay, so as long as we're processing it fast enough, which we won't be because we're not doing anything with the output.
So
It's fine. We basically just started a self-timer.
It's a very, very slow self-time.
I don't think it's that slow.
Oh.
eighth of the way there. On the first one I checked, anyway. But we should be able to get the sulfuric acid. Actually, to be honest, I just need to get the plan. I think if I chuck the plan in the machining bob, yes, that is a term. So missing input item, but I think if I claim advanced water treatment for 30 green side. Oh.
No.
Okay, that happened. Were you watching it?
I was not.
Oh, we don't even have a good replay of it then.
So, bye-bye pipes.
Yeah, so, okay, we do need to worry about the hot crude. Yeah, I mean, it was quite a satisfying explosion. I quite liked it.
Okay, so we have sulfuric waste in this.
Cool, I've turned it on. It should be going up. It is. We got 1,800 millibuckets. And have I claimed the thing yet? No. P28, you go in here, I assume. And now you should process stuff. Oh, it is processing stuff. What is this?
Oh, we have sulfur.
We have sulfur. We should also be getting a fluid, I believe. Mineralized water and distilled water. Okay, I wasn't expecting 2 fluids. Don't know what to do with that. Is there things to do with those? Mineralized water that can be used for an algae farm. I don't know. That feels elaborate just now. And distilled water. Did we look at what we do with that?
I have not.
Uses for distilled water, so we can use it to clean some stuff. It looks like electrolyzer that makes oxygen and hydrogen. I'm kind of feeling like for now we just store it. Yep. I'm gonna set up 2 fluid tanks just now for these. I think I don't know if that's a good solution. Well, it's not really a solution, it's just what I'm doing. I'm hoping these placed in the center do, look at that, 2 fluid tanks. Perfect.
We apparently are not producing enough steam.
Oh, okay.
Both of our generators are going.
And we have no steam. What do you want to do? Well, I'll finish the sulfuric setup that we had going.
Yes, that's fine. It will be fine.
So sulfur mixed distilled and mineralized. So are they both set?
Yes.
Let's turn them on and see if you did it good. Distilled water in one, mineralized in the other. Feel like we're gonna need more distilled tanks than mineralized from that, but success.
It's like a bucket.
And this one is voiding power. Oops.
So you know how I said that we were running out of power?
Yeah, that's probably not helping matters. So now I'm realizing we have an issue with power. And there's 2 things that could mean. Oh no, you said we're not making enough steam. There's one reason we're not making enough steam.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I was gonna say maybe it's a limitation of LV, but we're using the new steam system.
2 of them are not enough.
Yeah. Okay. Well, are we keeping up on water? No, this hasn't got enough water. That's a problem, Lars. See, water empty.
Oh.
Water empty. Water is our problem.
So we need more of these purified water thingamabobs?
I guess so. Is this getting through it quick enough? Not enough space in output tank. Okay. What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, is it just literally not pulling it out fast enough? I think it might just not be pulling it out fast enough. Clearly 1 is still not enough. So we need another hydro plant. That's fine. We can do another hydro plant. Try the pipes from industrial renewal. So, to be fair, I still don't think it's making enough. Or do you think it is? It doesn't look like it's off that often.
I don't know.
Actually, it's maybe off about the same length of time as it's on.
We need the hardened ducts for...
We do need the hardened ducts, okay. So, do you want to just try the new pipes, or do you want to... Do you want to make another hydro plant?
Try the new pipes, I think.
That means we need L17 for the fluid ducts. Hardened fluid ducts. These ducts are resistant to hot or cold fluids and won't break. 20. There we go. That is us unlocked the recipe. Do you want to dedicate a machine for them?
Sure.
So there we go. This should actually start working. You can fill in all the holes. Please fill in the holes. Is it not working?
It is. I just saw stuff shooting. Processing.
Oh, yep. Hardened fluid ducts.
Nice.
I think this is going to be a right pain in the bum to try and do. Try and empty the pipes first. So I think Golrith was saying the fluid pipes from industrial renewal are better. So let's, I'll make like 32 of those, hoping I can place these without it connecting to absolutely everything. I quite like the look of these. Yep, totally gonna connect to absolutely everything. I really hope we can disconnect them from everything. Not with the crescent hammer. I mean, this side will be fine. Well, let's just use fluid ducts for that bit. Do you think hardens faster? I don't think there's any difference from memory.
I don't know.
There we go. Can I disconnect that? Oh, ooh, that's nice. Okay, so I think the filtering should still all be set up. So this should... Oh, wow.
Yep.
Lag. Maybe that turned the lights back on is why.
I think it did.
Okay, so this time, not enough space in output tank. Damn. I don't know how to fix that, really. So we just can't pump out here fast enough, I guess, is the problem.
Yeah, it kind of looks that way.
Can immersive engineering pipes, can you stop them?
We don't have a way to make those.
Yeah, I know. I said, can you stop them connecting?
I don't think so.
Oh,
no, you totally can.
Oh, can you?
Yes.
Ooh, that could be good. Okay, you broke it.
Did I?
No, can you break it is what I'm saying.
Okay, what do you want me to break?
Separate the two of them.
Okay.
There's literally only one place you can disconnect. How could you not guess which one it was?
I don't know.
That should hopefully... Right, so that's not pumping out there fast enough, but hopefully if we connect this one up as well, it will. Is it pumping out fast enough yet? Oh!
Oh.
It is actually pumping out fast enough.
Yay.
Oh, that's so now. Right, so I think we should be able to turn these back on. And now it should. Hopefully, we shouldn't be receiving the fill up message. Missing fluid input. Awesome. Well, that's not awesome. I mean, it means we're not supplying water fast enough. But it does mean we're extracting it fast enough. So that is...
Yes.
These still aren't filling up. Though. Now, is part of that... Okay, we're full on steam over here. Full on steam in both these machines. So this actually might start backlogging. Yep. This one stopped flickering and we now have steam going up. I'm hoping that means water is going to start climbing.
Hopefully.
Should we try replacing these fluid ducts with the new fluid ducts we just got?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Would that help?
That might help. So I've made some of the water ball ones, sorry.
Okay.
Was some stones, some circuit tubes, and some fluid ducts, all quite easy. The water balls, the second tier, I need some of the ground balls, some 4 of the previous ones, some steel plates, and some steel gits. So how do I extract the water out of these?
I would imagine a valve. Or maybe it just force outputs into a pipe?
It does not appear to. So that is now full.
What is now, Phil?
The water bore. I suppose really I should disconnect some of the other pipes.
What?
So that I can test it versus the water bore. The water bore versus the pumps. I mean, I've hooked up 3 of these. And it seems to be keeping up.
Well, I would say that was good.
Yes.
I genuinely thought we were better off with water. I am surprised that those water bores are better. How messy have I managed to make this?
We cannot extract fast enough anymore, I don't think.
We can't extract fast enough.
Oh no, all of the water is full as well. It's fine, it's just backing up.
The water bores do all output, apparently, Lawrence.
Do they? No, just because you think you're the Modpack developer doesn't mean you can just come in and say that.
Well, I thought you tested it.
I thought I did. It might have just been that the water bores were... I didn't need them, basically. That was very, very badly explained. What I meant is the water from the electric pumps was... The electric pumps were providing enough water. I got there in the end.
I was going to say, I literally have no idea what you're trying to explain.
The electric pumps were providing enough water at the time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we managed to get, like, this. 2 distillation towers, a hydro plant, a thingy, and another thingy, and lots of pipes and stuff. But I think that's been reasonably good progress today.
Yep.
But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time, hopefully. Bye.